with J.J. Thomson's atomic model. If you remember, J.J. Thomson is the same person who discovered electrons. Electrons are nothing but negatively charged particles. And then he told that these electrons are the basic building blocks of any atoms. That means each and every atom present has its own electrons in it. And then we know that our atom is neutral in nature, right? It does not have any charge on it. So if this atom has an electron in it which is negatively charged, that means it should also have a positive charge. So that this positive charge neutralizes the negative charge that we are getting from our electron. So now J.J. Thomson then collaborated all this knowledge and then he gave out his own atomic structure, which was called as the plum pudding model of atom. So then here he told that this negatively charged particle are embedded inside the atom. But this atom already has positive charge completely filled throughout its volume. And in this positive charge is where we have our electrons embedded in such a way like how the seeds in a watermelon is embedded. Now I have already told you about this watermelon example as to how the red color in the watermelon is considered as the positive charge which is evenly spread, and then the black seeds are considered as the electrons which are embedded here. So this was the atomic model of J.J. Thomson. When J.J. Thomson was doing the study of the structure of an atom, he had a student called as Ernst Rutherford. He was a person who was studying experiments on alpha particle. Now if you are wondering what alpha particle is, it is actually a helium particle with plus. That means 2 electrons are given out, therefore it has a positive charge, and alpha particles are emitted from radioactive substances.